It's recording now. All right, trig equations without a calculator. So that you can start by writing that down, please. All right, guys. So they're saying without using a calculator. So we really are not supposed to use one. Okay, you can't really cheat and use it and kind of try and hide it. You have to do it without a calculator. I just want to remind you. I know this is a completely different topic, but we're going to use kind of the same method. Do you remember when we did exponential equations? And you had something like that, right? 3 to the power of x is 3 to the power of 2. Then we say that because the bases are the same, we can assume that the exponent will have to be the same as well. Right? Do you remember that? And guys, we have a similar situation here where they're telling us that sine x is equal to sine of 30. So what we have is that the trig ratios are the same, right? Sine and sine. And in order for this left-hand side to be equal to the right-hand side, the angles actually are also going to have to be equal. That's the only way for sine x to be equal to sine 30, right? Is if x is 30. Does that make sense? It's the same situation here. The only way for 3 to the x to be equal to 3 to the 2 is if x is equal to 2. So again, the only way for sine x to be equal to sine 30 is if x is 30 degrees. But now, because it's a trig equation, it's a bit more complicated, right? We have to do our whole plus 360 blah, blah, blah. So this 30-degree angle is actually our reference angle, right? They have essentially given us the reference angle. For sine x to be equal to sine 30, the reference angle has to be 30 degrees. And that's sine 30, right? You think that this is a positive or a negative value? What do we think? We can also figure this out without using a calculator. What quadrant is 30 degrees in? Quadrant 1. What is sine in the first quadrant? Positive. So this is definitely equal to a positive value. All right? We don't have to still write that into the calculator. You kind of can do that, right? That would be a little bit of a cheat because I don't know whether you knew it or not. So sine 30 is a half. Okay, so that you can do on the calculator. I'm not going to know, but you can also figure it out with the calculator. Now, why is this important? Why do I need to know if this is positive or negative? What is the positive or negative on this side tell me? Okay, what did you say? Yes, thank you. Which quadrants I need to work in, guys? Where is sine positive? Sine x must be positive. Wait, 1 and 2. Guys, I think if it said sine is equal to a half, you all would have been fine, right? Because then you would have been like, okay, positive a half, so I'm just finding my positive quadrants. I'm going to do my shift sign of a half to get 30 degrees. It's the same concept, we just need to do a little bit more thinking. Okay, we need to see that x must be 30, that means that the reference angle is 30 degrees. And sine 30, sine in the first quadrant is positive. Okay. Now, the reference angle is 30, and we know that we need to work in quadrant 1 and 2. So we're just going to do our solutions, right? So we're going to say in quadrant 1, what is the angle on this side? It's just x is equal to, in quadrant 1, we take